draw a penguin. So come on. Now let's start drawing the penguin. We need a small dot for the eye. Next, the beak. You know what the penguins eat? They eat fish. For a beak, let's draw a line. They don't have teeth like us. They have tooth like barbs on their tongue and roof of the mouth. You can help it to swallow the slippery fish. Draw the head. These two should be in the same line. Draw the mouth. Now let's do a bump and a big body. Now let's do the neck. Now the big body and these two should be the same line. Now the neck. Now like this curve. So now this point, let's make a wiggly line. Now the flippers. Penguins are flightless birds. That means they cannot fly. Yes, I did it. These wings are not for flying. They're called flippers. You able to draw? They help the penguins to swim. Let's do this like this flat tube. Now let's do a little line. Now some zigzag. From here, let's do a zigzag line. Now let's do the tail. Let's do a line, a small line. Now let's do the feet again. The emperor penguin is the largest of all penguins. Now let's do that. Now let's do that. Now let's do these two lines. And one more. Now the next feet, two lines. Now draw a line. Now again draw a line. Now connect them. Now use a small line over here also. You know the feet will help with the penguin. You can help to walk in slippery ice. Most of the penguins live in Antarctica. It's ready. You can color it later.